Hello, we are Genau AutoWerks, and we want to welcome you to the auction of this rockin' 69 Ford Mach 1 428 Cobra Jet with a 4-speed manual transmission. This car is live on Cars and Bids. It's one of the inaugural Velocity Collection cars. Velocity is the premier vintage racing event in Napa wine country. You can see it in person at Sonoma Raceway between May 29th and 31st. Originally built at the San Jose, California plant and sold in Monterey, California, this is one special and original car. We have the Marty report and a known history chain from new. Let's start it up and we'll tell you more about it. The R-Code 428 Cobra Jet is one of the most desirable big block Mustangs of its era. Raw and torquey, these cars stood as a benchmark for prime muscle car performance. This car is no exception. It's absolutely stunning, wearing that candy apple red paint over dark red Clarion interior, and of course, that blackout hood treatment. As we mentioned, this is live on Cars and Bids, part of the inaugural Velocity Invitational Collection. You can find out more information at GenauAutoWerks.com. Rock on!